Have you ever wondered how something as humble as an onion, yes, the sitting in your kitchen, could actually be the key to diabetes, protecting your heart and unclogging your arteries? Well, today we're going to reveal an incredible onion-based recipe that's backed by both ancient wisdom and modern science. But more importantly, we're going to explain exactly why this works, in a way easy to understand and easy to do at home. And don't worry, this isn't one of those fad diets or miracle pills. It's real food, real healing, for real people. Start with the star of our show, the onion. Now, onions have been used for centuries, not just for flavor, but for medicine. In ancient Egypt, Greece, and India, they were prized for their ability to fight infections, boost stamina, and treat heart disease. But science has caught up with what our ancestors always knew. Onions, especially red and purple ones, are packed with powerful natural compounds like quercetin, a natural antioxidant that lowers blood sugar, reduces inflammation, and prevents blood clots. Sulfur compounds, the same ones that make your eyes water, also help lower cholesterol and thin the blood. Flavonoids, plant chemicals that clean your arteries like a soft brush, scrubbing away the plaque that builds up over time. As we age, arteries get stiffer. Fat, calcium, and waste products collect inside them, just like grime inside a garden hose. This leads to pressure, fatigue, chest pain, and even stroke or heart attacks. But onions, especially when combined with a few other simple ingredients, like a natural cleanser for your blood vessels, they help restore flexibility to your arteries and remove the dangerous buildup that blocks blood flow. Those of us watching our blood sugar, whether you have prediabetes, full-blown type 2 diabetes, or are just trying to stay ahead of it, here's the good news. Onions have been shown in several clinical studies to lower blood glucose levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and even reduce fasting blood sugar. Now, before I show you how to make this powerful heart-saving onion recipe step by step, let me ask you something important. Do you know which everyday foods are quietly damaging your aging body? Because while the right foods can heal you, the wrong ones, they can slowly steal your energy, your independence, and even your life. And unfortunately, many of these foods are hiding in plain sight, especially in senior diets. Let's quickly go over 3 common food culprits that may be doing more harm than good, especially after 55. 1. White bread and refined grains. These spike your blood sugar quickly, leading to insulin resistance and fat buildup around your belly and liver. Swap for whole grain or sprouted breads instead. Number 2. Processed meats, like bacon, sausage, or deli meats. These are loaded with sodium, nitrates, and hidden sugars, raising your blood pressure and increasing your heart risk. Better option? Fresh, lean proteins like beans, lentils, or grilled chicken. Number 3. Refined vegetable oils, like corn, soybean, or canola. They may seem harmless, but they're high in omega-6 fatty acids, which cause inflammation throughout your body. Switch to extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or even a touch of coconut oil for cooking. All right, now that we know what to avoid, let's talk to embrace. It's time to show you the simple but powerful onion heart blood sugar recipe, a homemade remedy you can prepare in under 10 minutes. That's been used in traditions to cleanse arteries, regulate sugar, and strengthen the heart. Coming up next, what happens? You combine onion, garlic, lemon, and a little honey. Create a natural formula that could transform your health in just a few weeks. Now that we know how onions support your heart, blood sugar, and arteries, let's prepare a simple home remedy that brings all of these healing benefits together. This is a traditional natural tonic, often passed down by grandmothers and healers, that's been quietly helping people for generations. We call it the Heart Healing Onion Elixir. And the best part? Made with 5 common ingredients you may already have at home. Here's what you'll need. 1 large red onion. Red onions are richer in antioxidants like quercetin and anthocyanins than white or yellow varieties. 2 cloves of garlic. Garlic lowers blood pressure, reduces cholesterol, and has natural antibacterial properties. 3 lemon, organic if possible. Lemon adds vitamin C and helps your body absorb the plant compounds more efficiently. 4 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Raw honey helps soothe inflammation, balance blood sugar, and improve taste. 5 a clean glass jar with a lid. This will be used to store your tonic in preparing the recipe step by step. Step 1. Slice the onion. Peel and finely slice your red onion into thin rings or small cubes. The more surface area, the more juice is released. Step 2. Crush the garlic. Take your 2 cloves of garlic, press or crush them lightly, and let them sit for 5 minutes. This activates a compound called allicin, which is responsible for garlic's healing power. Step 3. Combine in a jar. Place the sliced onion and crushed garlic into your glass jar. Step 4. Add lemon juice. Squeeze the juice of 1 whole lemon over the mixture. Make sure no seeds fall in. Step 5. Add honey. Pour in 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Stir everything well with a clean spoon. Optional. Step 6. Add apple cider vinegar. If you're using it, add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar for extra anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. Step 7. Let it rest. Seal the jar and leave it in the fridge overnight, at least 12 hours. This allows the ingredients to release their beneficial juices and blend into a potent natural syrup. How to take it? Every morning on an empty stomach, take 1 tablespoon of this healing tonic. It's best taken before breakfast, and again in the evening if you want even more powerful results. Now, let's be honest, this isn't going to taste like candy. It's natural, but it's effective. And your body, your heart, your blood sugar, they'll thank you for it. So, what happens inside your body when you take this mixture? Onion and garlic work together to reduce blood sugar spikes and increase insulin sensitivity. Lemon boosts vitamin C levels, which strengthens blood vessels and improves absorption of nutrients. Raw honey, despite being sweet, actually lowers inflammatory markers and supports immune function, and the optional apple cider vinegar helps balance gut bacteria, which in turn improves metabolism and weight control. Together, these ingredients create a natural synergy, meaning they're even more powerful together than on their own. Many seniors who've added this to their morning routine report better energy levels, more stable blood sugar readings, less brain fog, fewer blood pressure swings, and even weight loss over time. Of course, this isn't a cure. It's not a replacement for your medications or your doctor's advice, but it is a tool, a simple, natural helper that supports your body's own healing systems. Now let's take the next step by understanding what's really happening inside your arteries and what you can do about it. Let's talk about something called arterial plaque, the silent killer. You see, most people with cholesterol, high blood pressure, or even diabetes don't feel sick, they don't feel pain. But inside their body, something dangerous is happening. A sticky mix of fat, cholesterol, calcium, and waste is building up inside their arteries, and slowly, silently, it narrows the pathways your blood travels through, putting massive stress on your heart. Imagine trying to push water through a pinched hose. That's what your heart has to do when your arteries are clogged. Increases the risk of heart attacks, stroke, loss, kidney failure. The worst part? You often won't know it's happening until it's too late. That's why prevention, through diet and daily habits, is the most powerful weapon we have. Now let's bring this back to something practical, something you can control right now. The foods you eat every day either add to the plaque or remove it. That's why our onion remedy is so important. But it doesn't stop there. Let me show you a few more simple habits, just 3 to start with, that work with the onion tonic to protect your arteries and heart. If the taste is too strong for you, try mixing your daily spoonful of the onion tonic into a small glass of warm water or herbal tea with lemon. This helps mellow the flavor and support digestion. And remember, consistency is key. The best results come from small steps taken daily, not from trying to fix once. 55 or 85, your body still responds to care. It's never too late to lower your blood sugar. It's late to clean your arteries, and too late to protect your precious heart. So start small. Start today, and let nature, through food, do its work. You've learned how one simple onion recipe, paired with just a few mindful habits, can protect your heart, clean your arteries, and blood sugar back into balance. But remember, it's not about perfection. It's about small, consistent steps. Spoonful in the morning, a short walk, a little more color on your plate. Those tiny changes, they add up. Whether you're doing this for your own health or for the people who love and depend on you, know this: your body can heal, your heart can grow stronger, and your best years, they may still be ahead. If this video helped you, please consider liking, sharing, or subscribing. You never know who in your life might need this message today. Until next time, be well, stay strong, and thank you for spending this time with me.